Good evening, traders. My name is Okoyeocha. It is you for Land of the Rising Sun. Today is Friday, 25th day of June 2024. This is my weekly analysis. I normally do it on Saturday morning, but tomorrow, being Saturday, I will not have chance to do that. So that's why I said to do it this night so that I don't miss it. I like to do my analysis in the morning on Saturdays so that you watch it and prepare for the trading week. And if this is the first time you are watching my video, please like, share, subscribe, make your comments, ask questions. And if you like my trading style and you want to learn from me, I charge a little money to teach you. And I charge only once. And you're going to be in my class until you graduate, until you are okay. I don't charge you every month or every 6 months or even every year, because I know some traders have much time to learn. Some have little time, so that if you have little time, you take your time and learn. I don't rush you. Then if you have much time, fine. You can learn everything under 18 months, fine. Secondly, some can learn very fast, others can learn slowly. What matters that I know how to teach. If you join my mentorship, you're gonna learn and learn properly. You'll be able to do what I do, trade the way I trade. Okay, so let's get to the business of the day. DXY is where we usually start. I want to be going to daily every time. So if you want to know what daily time frame is showing us, watch last week's video or any of old videos. Today I'll be showing only 4 hours or maybe 1 hour. Okay, on DXY, as long as this place remain intact, we are going down, either as 3 waves correction, or it can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whichever way, we are going down. Okay, that's for DXY. I don't have any reason to buy DXY. But if you have any reason to buy DXY, that is, if you are a scalper, you can go ahead and buy. But I won't think of buying until it breaks this place and keep going up. USD card, same thing on USD card. I want to see the completion of this ABCW, ABCX. Then I want to see Y, which will likely be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 1, 2, 3. That is ABC. So until I see this, I won't talk about buying. Even if it keeps buying, I want to buy until I see reason to buy. That's what differentiates wave traders and other traders. A web trader will only trade when you see a valid reason to trade. Not that we don't follow price action. The trades follow us. We always enter the market before the news comes out. Okay. For instance, this is WXYXZ. Now, after seeing this, I now have a reason to sell. And since then, I have been trading. I stopped trading from here. I waited for this to happen. I opened a trade around here. It is still on. So my target is here. 1.355, 1.35 is my target. Okay, that's for USD card. USD CHF. The same situation. We are going down. Okay. Remember, if you watch my previous videos, I said we will likely see a new low. Okay, but it is too that is one bias. Second bias is that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to get an A, B, C and continue buying. Whichever way we are taking it, it is selling now. Now the market is making correction upwards. So this is what I'm looking at. I closed my sell around here. I didn't sell all this. Remember, you cannot trade everything. If you try to trade everything, you will lose. You will injure your account. So I traded from here. I closed it. I didn't trade all this. Now, I may buy this. If I get a nice setup, I may buy this with little size, then sell again. My target is to sell with C. I sold with A. This is with B. Not advisable to always trade the counter trend. Then with C is what I want to trade again. Okay, so let's hope it gives us a nice setup. Then we trade it. Okay, Euro USD. Euro USD, our target on our Euro USD is 1.06066 to 1.060. But it seems it wants to truncate. Whether it truncates or not, we have gotten our ABC. This is, let me change the color. So this is with A, B, C. This with C can still drop into the reversal zone. Whether it enters it or not, I am buying Euro USD. Once I get my buy setup, I will buy. If you don't know what buy setup is, then you need to learn. You can join my class or learn from anybody you want to learn. My concern is that don't waste your money. You cannot make money. You cannot make money in trading unless you have the knowledge. You can block it for some times and make money. The next time you lose it. I'm talking out of experience. You need to learn it before you trade. Not what you can do as guesswork. Okay. Pounds USD. Pounds USD. I am also looking for it to drop further. This is my ABC. Meanwhile, I shared this with my subscribers. All this chart, I shared it, and it turned at our reversal zone. You can see it. It's now going down. The target is 1.255, 1.25 is the zone. But for the look of things, it may truncate. It may move somewhere here, 1.26 and go up. But I will be glad to see it to this zone. That's when I will buy it with full confidence. Okay. Let's continue. AUD USD. AUD USD. AUD USD is somehow tricky now. So if you bought it, I bought around here, it dropped. It didn't hit my stop loss. I didn't buy it again. I was watching for it to give me a move up. But the way I'm looking at it now, it seems it will drop again. So I closed my buy positions, waiting for it to drop again. But if it didn't drop to this place, then I will consider buying when it broke this channel. Okay. For now, it's somehow tricky. Okay. So that's for USD. New Zealand USD. I'm looking for it to give me an ABC. Okay, so I'm looking for it. I would like to sell if I get a nice top I'm looking for. I would like to sell it before buying it again. So not much explanation here. JP225. Last 2 weeks, the market was printing a very complex pattern. When I said, no matter what, that this may not likely be broken, because I have nothing again to explain other than that the market will give us at least this is ABC, that is W, then this is X, then we will get Y. So in that case, I'm looking for it to be an ABC, that is W here, X here, then Y here, before the buying. Okay, so selling is what I'm looking for on this one before buying again. Or even, let me show you. Even, this is my ultimate target. This bigger WXY is the ultimate target. But sometimes you'll be looking at, you'll be looking for a complete pattern to play. It won't. For instance, this can be the ABC, can be the correction, and this can be wave 1. Then this can be wave 2. It will turn before the end of this place. It is still a valid pattern, so don't get it twisted. JPY, I don't want to talk about yen pairs. Okay, meanwhile, JPY turned at about the reversal zone, but I don't want to trade yen pairs this time around because I don't like the pattern it is printed. So, but this one is okay. It played I don't know what we expected it to play. Okay, so if you bought it, fine. If not, don't buy now. Look for a better place to buy. USD is also going up. I was expecting it to drop, but it keeps going up. So for that, I leave it alone. I don't want to buy it because I don't see reason to buy it. I trade according to the according to patterns, sequence, and structures. So I don't see the structure that make me to buy it. So I leave it alone. Pounds JPY, the same thing. Though this one is making a pattern. This pattern is something I will teach for my students. This, in fact, what pounds JPY, what YMPS is doing, I use it to make a lesson that we call complex pattern. So that's for my students. Here is not for lesson. Okay. So and don't trade complex pattern. Allow it to finish. Okay. So gold. Gold is one of the best trades I have taken this time around. It turned where I at my reversal zone. So what is the next direction is here. All these things is what you will gain when you join us, because even now, before I start this video, I have shared 19 charts with my subscribers. That is my students and VIP members. I have shared 19 charts. So there's no way out of the 19, you cannot get 6 or 5, 6, 7 chart trade next week, which will be 90% profitable. So no need to be talking so much. I may take this to drop around here, around 2,253, 2,222, or 2,170 before buying again. So nothing to explain. Silver, the same situation. Silver, I look for it to keep dropping till 28, 27, or even 26 before buying again. Nothing to explain. Everything is clear here. Platinum, platinum, I don't want to sell platinum anymore. Even if gold and silver is selling, platinum, I want to buy. Simple. Whatever it is doing, I want to sell. My target is to buy it back to 1,100 and above. So nothing to explain here. This is WXY pattern, and it's broken the this channel is now going up, though no speed yet. Okay. All right. So oil, US oil. I made a loss on oil. I made a little loss on oil last week. On oil, I see this as low 4, low 5, which will make room for another selling. So I entered the sell around here. It didn't continue. Though I lost little money. See, when you get knowledge of how to trade, when you lose more. Then when you gain, you either gain little, that is a break-even trade, or short trade, little, or you gain big. So Whenever I make a loss, it doesn't matter because I always lose little. I don't lose big. That is what distinguishes wave traders to others. A wave trader will know where to enter the market. The stop loss will not be that much. So all you hit my stop loss. Maybe it will begin to go down now. Maybe something like this. It will go up, or it may go down all the way. Remember, I was saying that oil will go to below 70. I don't know whether it will still go below 70 because of this. After this drop, I was looking for another drop. So let's keep watching. Meanwhile, I will go down to 1 hour to watch oil. If oil will still go down here, maybe I may share it on Telegram channel for everybody, or I may share it with my students. So whichever way, let me in this ABC because it's no longer valid. So let's continue. US 100, that's Nasdaq. I'm looking for it to drop further before buying again. Okay, so nothing to explain. You have seen with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're gonna get A, B, C, maybe W, another A, B, C, then Y. So we will get big correction like W, X, Y. So time will tell. US 30, sorry, SP 500. The pattern not clear with me, so I leave it for now. US 30 is another pattern that is being clear. So I'm waiting for this ABC to complete. We have gotten this wave A, this wave B. If it enters the reversal zone, I look for sell setup from here and sell it before buying again. So that's for US 30. German DAX. DAX, this is what I'm expecting. In as much as here is reversal pattern, but it will likely do something like this and drop again before buying. So I don't think we are getting buy from here. That's to say, the chances for you to continue to buy from here is maybe 25%. 25%. So I'm looking for it to drop again. That is for German DAX. Dow, the industrial average like US 30. I'm looking for it to give me to complete A, B, C into the reversal zone to drop again before buying. So that's what I'm looking for. The next is okay, I'll not cover all these ones. So now let me go to cryptos. Cryptos. BTC made a deeper correction. Last week, I was thinking that it may truncate. That the price was here. I was thinking that it may truncate, but it didn't truncate. Now it has gotten into our reversal zone. As long as your stop loss will be somewhere here, 60,000, 230 or so, there's no fear, no need to be afraid of losing the trade. Meanwhile, the target remains 80,000. My target is 80,000. It may not get to 80,000. It may cross it for now. I remember the first time Bitcoin moved from 4,600 to 19,009 something. Now, some people are waiting for it to clock 20,000. It went down after 19,900. I kept going down. So you may be targeting 80,000. It may return. It may turn from 79,900. So whichever way, if you entered market at a good price, you know where to exit. So that's simple. Ethereum, I'm looking for it to continue buying. I don't look for further selling. Here is my reversal zone. If I hit the reversal zone, and for look of things, let me go to 1 hour on Ethereum. On look of things, we are getting one impulse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So A, maybe A, B, C, B, C. So as long as this doesn't break, we are going up. We will likely drop again. Will give us a expanding flat as wave B, then wave C, then we buy. But if you didn't drop again and keep buying, at the break of this place, I will enter buy. I haven't entered the buy because I'm suspecting it that it will give me an expanding flat. Then if it doesn't give me an expanding flat, I will see the reason to buy it around here. If not, it will be above here. Litecoin is, let me go back to 4 hours. Litecoin is at my reversal zone. Though it made a little deeper than normal reversal zone. You can see it went a little deeper. Meanwhile, it didn't though I didn't buy it anyway, but I always teach my students, whenever you are placing a stop loss, let me teach you this one freely. Whenever you are placing a stop loss, try to give little gap, because the market can make a double bottom. For instance, if your stop loss is at this line, it can kill your stop loss and begin to go up. But if you give a little space, it won't kill it in case it want to do double the bottom or double top. So any of my students that bought Litecoin, his or herself will not hit, because there will be some gap in case of double bottom. Okay, so now I'm looking for it to continue buying. Nothing more, nothing less. BNB. Now BNB, something happened on BNB. I didn't expect this sharp drop. Nevertheless, it is a good trade. You know, every trade is risky, but some risk make more sense. As long as Bitcoin is still buying, BNB will definitely go up again. This time it may get to 800. I don't know. So for now, I don't see reason to sell it anymore. Then here is the stop loss. 537 is the stop loss. Okay, so Ripple. Let me say it again. Altcoins cannot be trusted. If coin is not established, don't leave your money in that coin. And if you want to buy it, buy with little money you can afford to lose. Could you imagine? Let me show you daily again. You have to understand that when Bitcoin went to 70,000 for the first time, some coins like Ripple went to 1.96, and we are going to get to $2. Bitcoin dropped. They dropped. Bitcoin is now higher than where it was before this happened. Now see where Ripple is. Many of them. So altcoins, be careful with altcoins. Let me show you many of them. You can see Shiba. After all this gara, it dropped and could not get to that level again. While Bitcoin is making a new high, Ethereum is making a new high, BNB is making a new high. Even Litecoin couldn't even make that new high. So I don't know. Mind where you put your money when crypto is, as far as crypto is concerned. Imagine Dogecoin, we are thinking that it will get to $1. It dropped from there. What Bitcoin was 70,000. This was 0.75, 0.74. Now here, see where it is still 0.23, 0.11. Oh my God, very shameful. So don't trust your money on altcoins. CCHZ, see. Let me end the video. No need to make all these long videos. Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, LTC, these are the few coins I can trust my money with. All these new coins, altcoins, and all these AI coins that are coming out, participate with the amount you can afford to lose. Don't put a meaningful amount there, because they have no structure. They are not standard. They haven't tested they have stood the test of time. Okay, see all of them you can see. You see here, you see 0.23. Could you imagine 0.01? Could you imagine? Many of them, almost all of them. So that's this is where I'm beginning to end the video. Like, share, subscribe, join my Telegram channel. You will see the link at the bio of this video. You also see my phone number. The phone number is on WhatsApp and Telegram. That is, if you want to learn from me, you contact me. I tell you what you're gonna do. Simple thing, simple lessons. Then you begin to make your cool cash. Thank you.